Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing a front sight on a Ruger Super Redhawk 44 Magnum. Check, make sure we're clear, we're good shape. These came out in 1987. They originally came out in a 44 Magnum 7.5 inch barrel, or you can get them in a 9.5 inch barrel. Now they make them in a 454 Casull and a 480 Ruger. The double action pull is 11.2 pounds. It's fairly heavy. Single action pull is 3.2. Big difference in the pull. They were originally designed after the GP100. They got the same trigger design except a whole lot stronger frame, larger. They only came out in stainless steel, and they still make stainless steel only, but they've got a couple different finishes. I think it's brushed, polished. I don't know about anything else. They got 1-inch scope rings on them, scope ring mounts, and it's got adjustable rear sight on it. Originally it was made to replace the Redhawk, but the Redhawk was so popular, a lot of people didn't want to hunt, didn't need the scope mounts, and the Redhawk is a little bit lighter than the Super Redhawk. And an advantage of the Redhawk, you can get them in a 4-inch barrel, 5.5 inch barrel, and a 7.5 inch barrel. Super Redhawk, like I say, it only comes in 2 lengths, 7.5, 9.5. And you're only going to need a little punch to change out your front sight. Needs to be just a little smaller than the hole. The best way I found to change the sight on this is stand it straight up. And you can see the hole in it. Push in on it and the sight will lift right out. And once you push the pin in, the sight will lift out from the back. It will lift out. Whenever you go to reinstall your new sight, I'm not putting a new sight on. I like the original sight that's on it. The front of it has got a taper to it, like a 1/2 of a dovetail. You can start the front first. It'll fall right in place. This thing packs such a punch. I replaced the grips with hole grips, but they do help. And like I say, I reload my own ammo, and usually I'll reload it pretty hot. And I've deer hunted with it, taken deer. They're awesome pistols. And if you want a pistol that'll stand up to about any load you can put in it, you want a Super Redhawk. They're just about top of the line for anything you want to shoot in it. Ruger handle it. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching.